how beautiful this home is. The tour of the house, but welcome home. Y'all, look at our home and our car, obviously. But y'all, look at how pretty. We already went in, so y'all not gonna get my first reaction, but y'all, when I'm telling you, okay, house tour, y'all. I just gotta show y'all because look at how beautiful this house is. It is huge. The camera does not do it any justice, y'all. This Airbnb is beautiful. Look at how beautiful. This is the kitchen. This is the island. Y'all can't tell. And like the marble sparkles and all. Oh look. Lights. Refrigerator, like a normal. And then there is a washer and dryer. There is a pantry, which they probably keep things to clean, so we won't be touching that. Oh, the garage, which there is a vehicle, but we're not gonna touch that either. Y'all, look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't. It doesn't do it any justice. This beautiful dining table, I don't want to sit in it. The paintings are beautiful. Y'all, I'm just gonna keep saying beautiful because that's literally the word for this house. It is amazing. Amazing, amazing. This is the first bathroom on the right side of the house. It's very beautiful, very bright. I love that this house has like black, but it doesn't look dull. It just looks clean. Clean, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm like in love. They have towels there. How nice. And then this is the second bathroom. This is the second bedroom. So we have 3 bedrooms. And then closet for stuff you need. But let's go to the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you guys over here in a minute, so don't look too hard. But look again. It's in the bed. This is when you walk in. You get a small, I guess like a reading couch. The big TV. The mirror, and then we have y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness, y'all. If y'all know me, y'all know I love me a good vanity, and I didn't have to bring one because they already know the drill. 10 out of 10. This is the tub, y'all. It is huge. This is a walk-in shower. Oh, that's so cool. So it's a walk-in shower and it loops around. So I'm gonna show you guys. So it loops around from this way and this way, but they put 2 shower curtains so it doesn't like get wet everywhere. And hers bathroom, I like it that they're on the opposite side. It'll be more clean and it doesn't look like all together and bunched up. Wow, this is a big closet. You can keep all your like stuff that you need. I'm in love with this tub. Beautiful tub. Very, very, very beautiful and expensive. And then they have the toilet with the paper. Bro, look at how beautiful. Like, it's the time that they took to do these things that kind of just amazes me. Look how beautiful, y'all. All right, now for the best part. Here, guys, the back of the house, which is amazing. But we have a toddler, so we have to be very careful so he doesn't just jump into the water, because he is crazy. Look at how beautiful, y'all. Wow. Very, very, very pretty. Oh wow, and they have a floaty already. We just bought floaties for the house, but I guess we don't need them.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot, or is it cold? It's like perfect.
Warm.
It's warm?
Excuse me?
You're gonna jump in the water. Look at how pretty. And it has a bathroom. I know. This is the pool, and then this is the bathroom where you can shower before you go into the house. How beautiful. I'm in love.
What? Oh, I'm gonna love this shit.
I love it here, y'all. We're staying here forever. I love it. I love it. Sliding doors. So you know this is that expensive Airbnb. Yo, look how pretty. It's already messed up because we already put all of our stuff, but it even has a, what is this called? A desk where you can work if you work from home, like me, or if you just want to relax and chill. But I love this so much. Even the chairs are very cute. Y'all, this is what the house looks like at night. So beautiful. We're not gonna disclose exactly where they live. Let me guys give you a tour of the vehicle. It is beautiful. It's a drop top. Y'all already know. I'm so happy, bruh. It's so pretty. The house is just so peaceful, and we are in for the night. We had fun today. It was more of a peaceful, relaxing day since we had a very, very, very busy day yesterday. So today was more peaceful, and we just chilled and visited more family, and we went to that mall, but that mall was pretty trash. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, things happen for a reason. Bye.